Hey friends, I have a travel dilemma. A lot of times I preach not going where the TV or the internet tells you because it's going to be crowded and expensive. On the other hand, in Rome, the best restaurant there was right by the Pantheon. So I don't know what to tell you. The same is happening in Venice. There's a place called Osteria al Squero, which is right across from the boatyard, a gondola repair shop. And this has been on the TV, on a famous TV program. And I thought, oh my God, it's going to be crowded and awful. Yesterday I came here and it was crowded, but today, got here early, empty, and the place was fabulous. It was the best. They had the best Cicchetti, the best spritzes, and it was the cheapest, believe it or not. The spritz, a select spritz with Prosecco, select, which is kind of like Aperol, and a little dollop of Cynar, for good measure, was $3.50. And the Cicchetti were $2.50, $1.50, and even they had a hard-boiled egg with an anchovy, and they were either sardines or anchovies wrapped around olives. These taste like the boquerones in, say, Cordoba, which is the first time I've been able to find something like this in Venice. Only $1 each. You get 4 of them. Fantastic. The bill for Shannon and I for having 4 Cicchetti and 2 of these spritzes was €14, which is the best. And you can see that it's not really crowded here. Can't recommend it enough. Al Squero, A-L-S-Q-U-E-R-O. Look it up. There you go.